Have you ever seen a movie trailer that captivates you in a way that makes you want more? The perfect elevator pitch should do the exact same thing. I'm Tasha Harrison, nationally certified workforce development professional and career development facilitator. For the past 14 years, I've had the privilege of serving as a leader in the workforce and career service industry, having helped countless youth and adults prepare elevator pitches for job considerations, entry to college, and networking opportunities. I'm excited to give you tips on perfecting your pitch. If you're looking for more expertise for those in the know, you want to like and subscribe for more videos. Here's the first thing to keep in mind. The pitch is the preview, not the movie. An elevator pitch is an opportunity to make a great first impression. It is a concise and persuasive statement that gives the listener insight into who you are, what you do, and why you're connecting. Are you a student creating the perfect pitch for the college you've dreamed of attending since childhood? Are you, as a job candidate, creating the perfect pitch for a lifetime career opportunity? Are you, as a professional, creating the perfect pitch for the stakeholder, investors, and clients, and conveying your value proposition? Regardless of whom we're creating your pitch for, applying the 3 C's will ensure we leave a lasting impression. 3 C's? They are being confident, concise, and compelling. Let's talk about it. The first C is confidence. Never leave home without it. But what does confidence look like? Here are some tips. Be well rehearsed. In other words, if you cannot tell it, you cannot sell it. Make eye contact. When you look a person in the eye, it communicates not only your belief in what you're presenting, but you're confident in your point of view. Keep an open posture. Stand upright, shoulders back, and relax. This nonverbal communication is important because it conveys leadership, confidence, and engagement with the conversation. Avoid fidgeting. One way to do this is using hand gestures while speaking and clasping your hands together. And smile. When you smile, it conveys self-assurance, confidence, and enthusiasm. Second C coming at you, be concise. In a few words, articulate who you are, your areas of expertise, your reason for connecting, and a call to action. Avoid using filler words such as like, okay, and the infamous, you know. Use words that are precise and not vague. For example, during your call to action, instead of asking the listener, "Can we meet one day next week?" you could say, "Would you be available to meet next Wednesday?" Don't ramble. Stick to who, what, and why. But being confident and concise would be nothing without the third C. Be compelling. Do your homework. Lead with what's most important to the listener. Speak to their needs. Value proposition. Detail the skills, background, or expertise that makes you and/or the company an asset. Frame your movie. A perfect elevator pitch should take the listener on a quick journey and end with a cliffhanger. Leave the listener intrigued and wanting more. Okay, now that we've gone over the 3 C's, being confident, concise, and compelling, let's see them in action. I'll give you an example while I'll pretend to be a job seeker pitching themselves for employment at a company. You ready? Here we go. Good afternoon. My name is Tasha Harrison. I am an enthusiastic and driven workforce and career service professional with 14 years of experience specializing in leadership development, team building, and establishing corporate partnerships. Having overseen multiple million-dollar projects and garnering millions in in-kind support for priority populations, I found your current job opportunity listing to be one that would prove mutually beneficial for us both. Is there an opportunity where I can share how I can continue to elevate your brand? And that's it. Let's see if the 3 C's were present in my pitch. Was there confidence displayed? Yes. Was it concise? Yes. Was it compelling? Yes. There's no cookie-cutter approach to presenting yourself to an employer, business partner, or institution of higher learning. Using the 3 C's will, however, give you the competitive advantage you need to leave a lasting impression. The very fact that you've taken the time to watch this video tells me that you're committed to excellence. So embrace it. Be confident. Be concise. Be compelling. Be you. Have you ever made an important pitch? How did it go? Tell us about it in the comments. And make sure to subscribe for more videos covering important topics for your work, education, and life. Up next, dressing for success.